Perfect. Padlocked.
Listen, Cujo, I got some pretty wicked claws under these mitts. Do not, I beg of you, do not make me bring out these bad boys. It gets ugly. What are you doing?
Stay back. If I stare at the lock really hard, it'll burst into flames and melt.
Now I'm concerned on a number of levels.
Easy, watch.
I'm good.
Watch it, though.
You got it?
Oh.
Intruders!
Ah! Slow down! You're scraping the fur off my...
Oh, boy. This thing is heavy.
Hey, put it down. I forgot the keys.
You guys.
I'll be right back.
Woo. Oh. Hey, lucky penny.
Thanks. Now move your butt.
Okay.
All right, just a
up
little
on
bit.
your end. Yeah.
A little bit more.
No, I got mine.
You got it?
It's on the tip of my tongue. I know that dog. I'm telling you, Joey. Bobby, you guys are looking at me like, you don't know. I'm telling you, I know this dog. I seen him somewheres.
You'll remember it tonight when you're preening.
Right, that's what'll happen.
I have got some good news.
Really?
Yes, I do. I just booked you on the Tonight Show lead guest. That's right. Which means just absolutely nothing if Bolt is still missing. It's not even good news. Like, whatever. So what? The Tonight Show. Who cares? I don't care.
Oh, it's okay, baby. He must be so scared.
Scared? Well, this is Bolt we're talking about. He's not scared of anything.
I bet Bolt would want you to do the Tonight Show. Maybe not.
Bolt loves you very much, sweetie. And you're here. He couldn't have gone far.
Oh, it's okay, baby. He must be so scared.
Scared? Well, this is Bolt we're talking about. He's not scared of anything.
I bet Bolt would want you to do the Tonight Show.
You're such a hypocrite.
Maybe not.
Bolt loves you very much, sweetie. And you're here. He couldn't have gone far.